Alright. About to do a coolant flush on this thing. I need to replace the lower radiator hose. Super hot today. Have the fan on. There. Another one there. But first things first. Get any one of these. Just sit here and stare at it. Dark in here. Did get these Harbor Freight lights. I don't think I need that much light just to drain the water or the coolant. But these are pretty neat. You can slide them like so. You can take them off if you want. Stick them. They're magnetic. So if I didn't have this bar, you could technically just stick it up there. But pretty good deal. I think it was 89 bucks, something like that. And then it comes with one light. Had to buy the other light separately, and that was like around, I think there was a coupon. Ended up getting it for like 47 bucks. So since I'm gonna be under the car, got two lighting options here. Good old headlight, and then this bad boy I just got right here. This is from OLIGHT, so we'll be using this one right now. All right, just check the weather. It is 102 degrees today, so I wasn't playing when I said it was hot. All right. This is the Project 99 Dakota RT. Work in progress. Eventually want to do a motor swap. I think I do. Just don't know what motor. That Hurricane engine looks really interesting. I just don't know if I want to go through that much work. Let's get it. Alright, this is the view from under the truck. Hose clamp here. Other one up there. Gonna show you guys comparison between the two lights. So this is, the heck brand is this? Streamlight. And you can see the lighting there. That's that full bright. Nope, that's full bright from here. Kind of bulky. And then I'll show you guys the Oclip. I'll try putting the links in the video. This thing's magnetic too, so could stick there. Won't do me any good pointing down. But if I needed it around here somewhere, anywhere else, or just clip it on. So that's, I believe, the low setting. There you go. Low, medium, and then bright. So pretty neat. Now to start taking stuff off and try not to make a mess, but see how that goes. All right, bottom hose is off. Little bit of a mess, not too bad. And now I just need to get out. And that's with the lights from Harbor Freight. And now I just need to get, head's in the way, man. Right here. Need to get this guy off, hose clamp, and then we can install the new one and fill it with coolant. Let's go. Still hot.